it grow. Creativity's the only flow. Step by step we learn, we
Tired of manually deleting double or multiple spaces in Adobe InDesign? Stop wasting your time. Here is a hidden one-click trick to clean up your entire document instantly. First, press Ctrl F or Command F on your keyboard to open the Find/Change window. Now look at the very top and click on the Query drop-down menu. From the list, simply select Multiple Space to Single Space. InDesign will automatically load the secret code for you. Finally, choose your scope and click Change All. Boom! Whether your document has 5 pages or 500, every single messy duplicate space is gone, and your typography looks completely professional. Hit that follow button for more quick InDesign hacks.